What's up, Instagram? I just want to show you guys a quick little video of when you're on eBay. You have bulk shipping. Say you have the same item, and it's going to different places. Not always does it work well just going with UPS or FedEx. Sometimes you can mix it up and send it to different carriers and save some money. So here it is. So we're in eBay, print shipping labels. I got 4 of the same product. It's a coffee that I sold. It's a pack of 4, 96 K-cups. And I'm going to select them all. I'm going to go to print shipping labels. I'm going to continue right here. Sorry, it's taking a little bit. And I'm using Bandicam to film my screen if you guys are interested in ever doing that. So I know the weights, they're all the same. It's all the same product. 3 pounds, 12 ounces, 12 by 8 by 8. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to add that to all of them. And basically what I'm showing you here is that some of them are going to come up as 10.02, and there's going to be one that comes up at like 17, and they're all on priority mail right now. So I'm going to keep the 3 at priority, but I'm going to change the one that says 17. I'm going to change that one to the cheapest price I could find, and the cheapest price I find is FedEx. Let me just fix that real quick. 12 by 8 by 8, and that should be the one that pops out at 1760. Yep. So obviously that's a higher price than the $10 one, so there has to be something better out there. And I click and I see that the FedEx home delivery is cheaper at $11.87. So I just saved myself about $6, $5 to $6, just by choosing a different carrier, by choosing FedEx. And also UPS ground is on there now, as you can see. It used to just be FedEx and USPS. Now we got UPS, so you got 3 different options to choose from. All right, so I'm gonna review purchase. Click on review purchase. I'm only gonna pay $30 out of my PayPal account because I'm still not on managed payments. And FedEx is gonna bill me after the product is received, which is $11.87. Got my labels. And what I do is I use Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is just a little bit extra. I use Adobe Acrobat Reader free. I download my labels, I open it with that. And I don't have the 4x6 printer, thermal printer. I have a Dymo 450 twin turbo, which is basically the Dymo 450 turbo. And I have a way where I'm able to print it with the label size that I have. My labels are about 2x4, almost 2x4. So I click that option, and I'm able to take snapshots of these labels and print them in 3 sections. So let me get the second one, print. And then I'll get the third one, print it. And I've been doing this for about 1.5 years, and I've never had a problem. My labels have never been turned away. And I do this because I find these 2x4 labels, I find them really cheap at an Amazon liquidation store I shop at. So I go with what I have, and I learned how to do that, and it works on my 450 turbo. And on these priority mail ones, I'm going to cut them into two labels. That's just how I like printing out my labels, and it works for me. I do want to get the Dymo 4XL. I do have a lot of those 4x6 labels. I just don't have the printer yet. So I have them stashed up for when I do get a printer that prints out 4x6. I'll be able to do it real easy. But if you don't have it, this is a way you could print your labels out. All right, guys, thanks. Here's the labels. You got the addresses, you got your tracking number. That's all that matters. This is a label where I printed out 3. This is the label. This is one of the labels where I printed out the 2. And I ran out of these labels also. These two, they're like 2x4 or 2x3 point something. So I used good old, like they use in the, for the cash registers. I used one of those papers on my thermal printer. It worked. And sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get your products out. All right, guys, take care.